In the ever-evolving world of AI, two groundbreaking tools have emerged, transforming the way we create content: SORA AI and InVideo AI. These platforms allow users to produce high-quality videos without the need for advanced technical skills. Whether you're a marketer, content creator, or simply someone interested in diving into video production, these tools make the process faster, more accessible, and often more affordable than traditional methods. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to AI Cyber Tech, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest AI-driven strategies. Now let's jump into today's topic. Let's start with SORA AI, a groundbreaking tool by OpenAI designed to transform text prompts into fully animated videos. While AI-generated media isn't a new concept, think DALL-E for images or ChatGPT for text, SORA takes things to the next level by turning written descriptions into dynamic, short animated videos. For example, you could type something like, "a golden retriever playing in the snow," and SORA will generate a video that brings that scene to life. Videos generated by SORA are typically up to 20 seconds long and come in various aspect ratios, making them perfect for social media, presentations, or quick creative projects. These short videos are ideal for platforms like Instagram and TikTok, where bite-sized content rules. Not only can SORA generate videos from scratch, but it can also animate static images, adding movement to photos. Imagine taking a still image of your product or a historical figure, and with just a few clicks, turning it into an animated scene. It also allows users to remix existing videos, adding new dynamic elements to previously created content. While SORA AI is still in its early stages, it represents a significant leap forward in generative AI technology. Initially previewed in early 2024, SORA is available to ChatGPT Plus and Pro subscribers in select countries. Users in the EU, Switzerland, and the UK are temporarily excluded, likely due to regional regulations. The power of SORA comes from its advanced machine learning models, trained on vast datasets of videos, images, and related text. These models help SORA understand the relationship between visual elements and language. While the output is not yet as polished as professional videos, the potential for rapid, creative video production is clear. There are a few limitations though. Videos are capped at 20 seconds, and the resolution depends on your subscription tier. For example, ChatGPT Plus users get 720p resolution, while Pro subscribers can generate videos in 1080p HD. While these limitations may not compete with traditional video editing software, they're still valuable for quick video production. SORA's applications are diverse. Content creators can use it to generate eye-catching visuals for social media. Marketers can create quick ads or promotional videos, and educators can design engaging, interactive content. Small businesses can also create marketing videos without the need to hire expensive videographers. Just input a description and let SORA do the work. That said, the short video length and occasional inconsistencies mean SORA isn't yet a replacement for professional video production. It's more of a supplementary tool, perfect for situations where quick creative content is more important than perfection. Ethically, OpenAI has implemented safeguards to prevent harmful content, such as deep fakes, and restricts uploads featuring human faces. However, as with any emerging technology, the long-term ethical implications are still being explored. Next, let's look at InVideo AI, another tool that's making waves in the content creation space. Unlike SORA, which focuses on generating short animated clips from text, InVideo is a comprehensive platform designed to streamline the entire video creation process. Primarily aimed at marketers and businesses, InVideo AI helps users produce high-quality promotional videos without needing advanced video editing skills. The platform features a massive library of templates, allowing users to create everything from social media ads to product demos and explainer videos. InVideo offers an intuitive, user-friendly platform that allows creators to choose from pre-made templates or start from scratch. One of the standout features of InVideo is its ability to automatically generate video content based on a script. Simply provide InVideo with a script and the AI will search its extensive library of stock footage, images, and music to assemble the necessary elements into a cohesive video. This process saves businesses a lot of time, especially when creating multiple videos on tight deadlines. What sets InVideo apart is its focus on flexibility. While the AI handles much of the heavy lifting, users can still fine-tune their videos using the platform's drag-and-drop editor. This gives creators control over branding, allowing them to adjust colors, fonts, add text overlays, transitions, and more, all without the steep learning curve of traditional video editing software. InVideo also includes a voiceover tool that can convert a script into natural-sounding speech, as well as a text-to-speech feature that supports multiple languages. This makes it an excellent tool for content creators targeting international audiences. Unlike SORA, which focuses on short animated videos, InVideo allows users to create longer videos without time restrictions. This makes it a go-to option for businesses or marketers who need to create in-depth content, such as tutorials, product reviews, and webinars. In terms of pricing, InVideo offers a freemium model. Users can access basic features for free, but videos will include watermarks. Paid plans start at $15 per month and remove watermarks while unlocking premium features like higher resolution downloads and exclusive templates. InVideo is easy enough for beginners to use, but it also offers enough customization for more experienced users. The ability to produce polished videos quickly and efficiently is especially beneficial for marketers and businesses, where time is often of the essence. One of the biggest advantages of InVideo AI is its speed. Businesses can produce high-quality videos efficiently, maintaining a high standard of quality without sacrificing time. Plus, the platform supports various formats: 16:9, 1:1, 9:16, making it adaptable to different platforms, whether you're creating content for Instagram stories or YouTube. Imagine a world where creating videos no longer requires expensive software or specialized training. Imagine cutting down hours of work to just minutes. Both SORA AI and InVideo AI offer this level of convenience and speed, each with its own unique strengths. SORA delivers short, animated videos from text prompts, perfect for the fast-paced social media world. On the other hand, InVideo empowers creators with a full suite of tools for creating polished, professional videos for marketing, tutorials, and more. These tools are not just for tech enthusiasts or professional content creators anymore. They're for anyone who wants to harness the power of AI to bring their ideas to life. Whether it's breathing life into static images or producing high-quality marketing videos on a tight deadline, these platforms are changing the game, choosing the right tool for you. Ultimately, the decision between SORA AI and InVideo AI comes down to your specific needs. If you're looking to create short animated videos or breathe life into existing images, SORA could be your ideal solution. But if you need a more traditional video editing tool that leverages AI for a faster, more efficient process, InVideo is the way to go. Both tools democratize video creation, allowing you to produce professional quality content with minimal expertise. Whether you want to enhance your social media presence, create marketing videos, or explore your creative side, these platforms provide powerful solutions to help you get there. So, which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on the latest AI-driven strategies. Until next time.